Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about ClickCease for Consultancy. What can I do to reduce click fraud? Ad networks including Google take some action to protect you against click fraud, but they only manage to catch a fraction of the incidents. For these types of businesses, customers typically click on an ad once then call or not. This is because customers typically call for one-off problems. There is no reason for customers to keep clicking on ads once the problem is resolved. Your clients will love you for protecting them. Keep your clients happy with better conversion rates and optimized, fraud-free campaigns. ClickCease works with any platform. Whether you want to prevent click fraud on your own custom site or on one of the platforms below, ClickCease takes just minutes to install. Get a ClickCease account for free today, and you'll start thinking about fake Google Ads clicks. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about ClickCease and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.